What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So obviously from the time lapse you saw this bad boy right here, a Grillcraft. It's the main or upper grill. It's not the one for the hood vent, or it's not the lower. I have been looking for this. I cannot tell you how long. As you know, Grillcraft went out of business, so if you go to their website, they'll have like the right part numbers and whatnot, but you can never add anything to cart. So guys, if you can't add anything to cart, know that, you know, their website is not functional. They're out of business. But I was actually helping a friend look up a lower insert for his car, and I ended up typing in the part number for mine as well. I'm like, hey, let me give it a shot. Now mind you, I've tried it on many sites before, Amazon, eBay, all over the web, fastrex.com. Nobody has it. All of a sudden on eBay again, months later, bam, right here. I was like, one guy had it. I was like, no freaking way. Bought that shit right on the spot. And this is it right here. You get the grill, has his room for the hardware, has all the, it's like cut out perfectly because I sized it up. Comes with its hardware right here, pretty much. So everything that you need to install the grill. I'm so freaking elated because this grill, believe it or not, it definitely gives such a more aggressive look, especially on the STI. It's really, really nice, especially for the money. And you're not, yes, it's not a carbon grill, so you're not paying like, you know, anywhere from $400 to $700, but listen, it works. It's a really, really nice look. You'll see at the end. So now pretty much I gotta just put the car on the ramps and take the bumper off. Guys, I'm gonna put something up top. Taking the bumper off is easy. We've done it many times, so I'll put a link up top so you can click on it, see an in-depth tutorial how to take your bumper off, because I'm not going to show you that now. I'm just going to be taking the bumper off, slapping this bad boy on. You know what I'm saying? Now guys, before I forget, they actually show you on here, on the instructions, how to take off the grill. If you want to follow that, my video is a lot better in case you can't follow these instructions. Also, as I said, these tabs that they have here, everything is in the perfect place in order to mount this grill. These side tabs here, these are optional, just for extra reinforcement. You can use them if you want to, guys. And by the way, I have their lower and hood vent grill. Let me tell you, I've had it for over a year already, actually probably 2 years. Yep, 2 years, and not a sign of rust or anything, warping. Such a good piece for the money. I'm telling you right now, great piece. All right guys, the bumper's off, so it seems like we just gotta take off all these Phillips head screws in order to start lining this bad boy up right here. So hold on. All right guys, the 4 top Phillips head screws, it's reinforcing a bracket that needs to come off. To take the bracket off, once those screws are off, you have to put a pry tool on both ends and push down. All right guys, see this bracket you got to take off first? It's literally on here like so, and you literally have to insert a pry tool. Let's see. You got to insert a pry tool in the bottom slot and press down to release those tabs. Now this tab right here has to be pushed in. Got to push this in to end up releasing it. These little tabs right here, you push this to the side to loosen it up. It's actually, it's, you know, they designed it pretty decent where you just can't run away. Like somebody can't just steal your shit. Oh, there he goes. So once you be aware, once you move all the tabs in the right direction, guess what? Shit is gonna fall out. Okay, so I just lined it up. I just wanted to show you something real quick. The top studs are gonna fit right through the OEM holes. The bottom holes, as in Grillcraft instructions, you just gotta widen it slightly with a drill bit. Okay, so just to show you the two drill bits that you're gonna need, it's a 1/4 inch and a 3/16. The 3/16 is if you decide that you're gonna put a hole in the side right here for extra, to reinforce it a little bit extra. The 1/4 inch is to widen this hole right here, all right? All right, guys, so in the spirit of showing you what I'm doing is I ran the lock nuts with the washers here. One of them fell. I'll put that in later. So I ran these 3 up so I can pull the grill all the way in to make sure it's sitting flush. Now, once it sits flush here, now I have a template on where to drill that 3/16 bit in order to run a screw in here to hold down the ends. You get what I'm saying? Losing some light. It's getting dark. Look at that bad boy. Lined up. Nice. Just gotta put the bumper back on and that's it. Such a nice freaking aggressive look, man. Damn. Definitely like, subscribe, man. All right, guys, I lost a little bit of light. Make sure when you put the screw in, that clip goes on the other side so the screw threads penetrate the metal, so it holds it down nice and tight, just like this one right here. See the screws on the top side right here, and then you penetrate the metal on that side right there. That's how you do it, man. That is how you do it. Definitely like, subscribe, guys. It's nice. Check this out. Oh, let me face that light somewhere else. Look how nice that looks. Beautiful. So streamlined. Gives it, now I got all 3 Grillcraft pieces now. Such a nice look. Nice and even too. Look at that. Damn. Yes. Shit looks sick, right? I know. Time to put this bumper back on. All right, fam, I lost a lot of light. Bumper's back on. Look how dope this shit looks. Such a beautiful piece, man. Now I got everything together. Everything, and yo, the see-through is so nice. Woo, that is beautiful, beautiful. Wow, cannot believe this. Beautiful. This car just came such a long way, guys. As I said, definitely like, subscribe, comment. It's a simple piece. If you can find it, more power to you. As I said, they went out of business. Wow, such a nice sturdy piece. And by the way, because of this grill, like the one to the bottom, my intercooler, like my fins are not even bent. People don't realize how important it is to have grills on your car, especially to filter out debris. That, imagine you're going 60, 70, 80 miles an hour and a little rock coming towards your car. You have no clue how much damage that shit does. And you know, Subaru's clear coat is trash. But as I said, guys, look how dope this shit looks. So nice, so nice. Damn. Whew. All right, guys, again, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see y'all soon.